Wow. Indranil. Wow.
ए अद्वैत म्यूट करना अपने आप को.
Looking hot, Indranil.
Oh God,
इंद्रनील
please.
बहुत खुश हो गया पहली बार लाइफ में किसी ने बोला उसको.
फूला समा रहा है वो,
मैं
जैसे
चालू करूं कि यही करना है तुम लोग को 2 घंटे तक.
जैसे तला हुआ पूड़ी. ओके.
Let's start.
Hey guys, welcome to the podcast. यार कैसे हरामी हो यार
Nice.
तुम लोग.
क्या मस्त आलू जीरा लग रहा है.
तूने क्या आलू जीरा बोला क्या?
फूड का पॉडकास्ट है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भी फूड टाइप वाले होने चाहिए.
यार
Recording चालू हो गई guys.
तो शाही पनीर लग रहा है.
fuck off dude. fuck off ना यार 2 मिनट के लिए.
ओह डूड क्या ब्लश मार रहा है. मजा आया.
देख अब वो टमाटर का लालवापन उस पे आ रहा है.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Leftovers, brought to you by the Half Pint Comedy guys. So guys, welcome to another episode of the podcast. Today's episode is continuation of college. So, कैसा चल रहा है bro सबका life?
तेरा वापस बैक लग गया था.
अरे यार क्या कर रहे हैं? College. I think guys we spoke a lot about our mess food and food inside the college, but I think every college experience is really defined by the food that you get around the college area, because that's like a new business in its own. So what are your like fondest memories, and which are like the best restaurants, best food items that you've got in like the restaurants around your college?
So
I think-
there was-
हाँ Advait. I think I did
Amaya,
my
I think you can start.
Oh yeah, of course. Most recent memory.
You mean
Oh, you left
yesterday?
college.
Yesterday? You mean?
Oh man. But there was a lot of things, man, around our college. Mainly they were in the first year we had a lot of hookah stores around our college.
Wasn't it banned in Pune?
Yeah, it got banned after our first year.
Oh, तुम लोग ने इतना हुक्का फूका कि गवर्नमेंट ने बोल दिया कि
हाँ.
गांड मारा तुम
They
लोग.
were like नहीं. बस हो गया
बाकियों
अभी.
के घर वाले मना करते हैं, यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने बैन कर दिया.
So there was a lot of hookah points and everything of that. So it was just surrounded by there are 4 or 5 these whatever cafes or whatever you want to call them. So around them.
Not cafes. Let's not.
Whatever you want to call them.
ये पार्लर
Those-
का पार्लर.
Parlor,
Yeah.
hookah parlor.
और haram.
Hotspots of illegal activity is what I like.
Yeah.
Hey, Indranil,
And
they're
that-
not bad area. That's correct.
So yeah, वो सब था, and then then they got banned, and those buildings, those things never got no one knew. It was just ऐसे ही वो building.
So
वैसे
wait
ही है.
1 second. They were not like a cafe plus they give you hookah. They were just
Yeah.
it was predominantly just a smoke shack.
No. It was you get food and everything, and you get hookah as well. But
Was the
mainly it was
food-
just you go there for hookah.
Okay.
Was
So
the
once-
food good?
Yeah, it was decent. It depends on which place you went, because there were 5 of them.
So was it like different cuisine, different hookah and all? What was the deal? Like,
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Everyone had the same flavor, same everything and everything. But the food mainly, if anyone went there, we ate just Chinese. So they used to have offers, एक hookah लो and then you get a lollipop with it or something of that sort.
तुम लोग ने ब्राह्मण नमन देखा है क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं.
अरे यार क्या है, ब्राह्मण नमन में एक जोक था कि लॉलीपॉप का 50 रुपीज, माउथ वॉश का 10 रुपीज ना, ऐसा कुछ. Moving on guys, moving on.
But वही था, you get everything, but mainly people were हाँ Chinese ही खाएंगे, and then Chinese था, and then that thing.
क्यों चाइनीज अच्छा था? क्या चाइनीज?
It was decent. It was अच्छा था, हाँ, not bad. हाँ ठीक था, काम चला.
Can't wait to try this restaurant with these Raging reviews. Nice.
That's
Decent
speaking
thing.
of speaking of hookah, it reminds me there was this one time we went on a night out from college. Okay, I don't know if we should name the place, but basically after night out, we never really had a place to stay, right? So we would just stay awake the whole night until 5 o'clock in the morning, somewhere, find somewhere shelter in some hotel, and then at 5 o'clock take an Uber back to college because college was very out of Pune, right? So we would always go to this place. It was in Vanavari, all right, and it was there during this time when hookah was banned, right? But it was just newly banned, so people were still in that risque mood ki nahi, because I want it, so I want it now. So we also
April of
tried.
2020.
brain freezer मेरे को अभी चाहिए.
brain, they had these flavors like brain freeze,
freeze.
then what? Some pan something.
Yeah,
And
बहुत
there was
कुछ
an
था.
orange one. That orange one was nice, dude. I don't know if you ever had the orange flavor. Anyways, so what happened is that we told them, do you have? And they were like, sir, थोड़ी देर में बताते हैं. And we were very confused. How are you not sure what is on your menu? Okay, like that was just what. But anyways, after 5-10 minutes, he came back. He's like, come with us. So we were 6 of us. We went left that establishment. Okay, and it was in Vanavari. Okay, so Vanavari is a very desolate place, and it was somewhere inside in Vanavari. Okay, so he took us inside some under construction building. Okay, he took us inside the under construction. We went behind the construction. Behind the construction there was like this small room. Okay, as big as cube. All right, like, or smaller than cube, like half the size of cube. Okay, and it was just lined with these benches and like tables. And then he's like, आप इधर बैठो, मैं इधर लेके आता हूँ. So he came, and then he gave us hookah, and we had hookah. And after that, like we're having, after 20 minutes, he's like, acha, police are police are police are, and then he shoot us away from that.
Except for the benches, the whole place sounds like a Sherlock Holmes वाला den, जिसमें वो ऐसे गांजा फूक के सारे पड़े हुए हैं ऐसे दीवार के साइड में.
The den, you mean the Benedict Cumberbatch one where he goes to do drugs? That drug den, no? Yeah,
Yes.
it was sort of like that, dude. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if we asked him for more services, he would provide it.
What kind of services are you talking about?
I'm not saying that I indulge in all that, but let your imagination run wild.
Yeah.
Yeah.
सोचो जो सोचो.
To make your imagination run more wild, that's what.
Already the thing is, Advait का intro तो इंद्रनील ने बहुत सही कर दिया, तो imagination just अभी
I'm
लेके जाओ.
already an asshole, okay? So I can feel, you know how when you do a mic, right? Like, and at the start of your set, you mess with the audience. In the sense that, you know, the audience gets damn annoyed with you, so then they don't laugh at your jokes or something. I don't know. That's how I feel now. I don't know, Indranesh just be like, what an asshole, and then he's like, हाँ ये तो गांडू मागर.
But yeah, I did my first ever bunk in college to go outside and eat something. Because मतलब उस time पे, so first 6 months of my college I was living alone only. मतलब कुछ ज्यादा जोश चढ़ा था कि अभी मैं ऐसे independent होके रहेगा, like that. So my parents got me a room जो कि मतलब ऐसे family friend के पास में था, तो मतलब ultimately उसके care में रह रहा था मैं. But it was वो वाला सीन था, तो मैं खाना ले जाना भूल गया है और अभी बहुत भूख लगा है third period में. तो मैं and there are
you talking about school or college? Like, what?
How old were you at this time?
हाँ मतलब वही third lecture में जो भी था.
When in the 90s were you in
It was right before Gandhi's assassination.
Oh,
So
okay.
we So yeah, so we went. मतलब मैं और 2-3 और दोस्त हैं. We all went out. और बाहर जाके there was this थड़ी, पता है आप लोगों को? What do you call it? टपरी बोलते हैं क्या?
हाँ, okay.
हाँ, तो
एक सेकंड,
तो
क्या टॉयलेट?
राजस्थान में it is called थड़ी. तो
टपरी.
अच्छा, टपरी. मेरे को टॉयलेट क्यों सुना?
So a fun fact, okay, now that we are at this fun fact, in Calcutta, it's called a cigarette shop. Straight up. They don't have a local word for it. It's just, it's as colonized as it can get here.
Yeah, but
Nice.
I like, it's also that like Bengalis are like known to like smoke. So
Yeah.
like
They're known to smoke. Oh, smoke.
I feel like Advait Amay wanted to censor himself and then chose smoke as his.
Yeah, you know what? Now, if we have to censor it in post, there will be 2 beeps. Okay, one before smoke and one after the second smoke, just to show your stupidity. Okay.
Oh, dude.
Anyways, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, so that was my first ever bunk experience कि मतलब मैं बाहर जाके कभी जीवन में ऐसे जब I'm supposed to be studying in the class, मैं ऐसे बाहर की दुनिया देख रहा हूँ.
Oh,
it's
nice.
fine. Don't feel itna bhi guilty.
Yeah. First thing, one. Second thing, you went to a tapri, bro. Like, I mean, come on.
And ऐसा भी नहीं कि you went to have a smoke. You just went. चलो टपरी जाते हैं.
Bro, आज मैं
Yeah, to be
करके आया
fair,
हूँ.
so that guy had this was a regular thing मतलब in the vicinity of my college. They had this thing जिसमें वो ऐसे कुछ तो एक ऐसा सब्जी रखेंगे.
You know what I imagined? I just imagined a bunch of people from the college, leaving college, going to a tapri and just being like, और क्या हाल है? Okay, nice, bunk कर लिया हमने. And then
This is
going
life.
back to college.
Hey, where did you bunk yesterday? Oh, I went to SK Panwala. Oh, you come to MS Road next.
उधर क्या किया? कुछ नहीं, बस देखा और वापस आ गए.
वापस सिगरेट वाला उनसे 5 रुपए मांग रहा है एम्बियंस के लिए.
बहुत pumped up है आज कॉमिक्स सारे.
Oh, dude.
हाँ, फिर
हाँ, तो वो दिस वाज लाइक रेगुलर थिंग कि वहां पे मतलब वो ऐसे आलू का सब्जी और वो कचौड़ी देता था. सो वी हैड दैट एंड दैट इज समथिंग मतलब जो कि तुम्हें कॉलेज के आसपास रेगुलरली मिल जाएगा उस वाले एरिया में.
But what was it like? Because it was like cheap food and all.
So kachori is anyways Rajasthani मतलब because यहाँ पे there is not much vegetation. तो these kind of foods जहाँ पे मतलब जैसे तला हुआ चीज जो होता है ना, that is more of a like staple food नहीं बोलते मतलब ऐसे snacks वगैरह टाइप में. तो
Can I be a very stereotypical
I was just waiting कि कौन पहले बोलेगा. Who's going to jump into the wagon? Just say it out.
राजस्थान में बस किधर भी ऐसे दाल बाटी मिल जाता है.
I'm not sure मतलब हो सकता है सच में ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि बट हाँ
यार मैं ऐसा मेरे दिमाग में से इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ अगर तू राजस्थान में 5 स्टार होटल में जाएगा तो वेलकम ड्रिंक की जगह तुझे एक कटोरी दाल बाटी.
उधर भी ऐसे जोशी वाड़े वाले जैसे कुछ एस्टैब्लिश.
Oh, Banna, oh, come on, here. Masa, please add some.
Oh, dude.
Oh,
क्या
God.
soap opera dialogue मार रहा
ह्यूमर
तू.
लेवल इतना ऊपर है ना.
But come on, yeah, you did college in Rajasthan. Like, tell us some dal bati. Some dal bati stories. Come on, make them up on the spot if you have to.
All my dal bati I had it at my मतलब aunt's home. वहाँ पे वो खुद ही बना रही है. It's not like कि मैं कॉलेज से बाहर ऐसे स्पेशली दाल बाटी खाने के लिए जा रहा है.
Actually, that makes sense. Why would you need to open a dal bati restaurant if everybody knows how to make it at home?
हाँ,
That's
that
the
is
same for
actually the
vada
thing.
pav, no?
That's, now, but the thing is कि वहाँ पे किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में you will get it. मतलब ऐसे it's not the specialty of that restaurant. वो वाला चीज नहीं. कुछ जगह पर है. There are special restaurant जहाँ पे तुम्हें लगेगा कि हाँ ठीक है. अगर तुम्हें दाल बाटी खाना है तो तुम यहाँ पे जा सकते हो. अगर तुम्हें घर पे बनाना नहीं आता.
वो ऐसे रेस्टोरेंट लिख रहा है कि स्पेशलिटी दाल बाटी, वो तो बोल रहे मेरे घर पे भी है. तो क्या इधर का स्पेशलिटी दिखा रहा है?
So, tell me something. So, in Rajasthan, what is like the street food that you get? Like what जैसे वड़ा पाव यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस है. कैलकाटा में रोल वगैरह सब जगह मिलता है. So in Rajasthan, what is
So mainly it is kachori and this मिर्ची बड़ा वाला जो होता है ना. That is most of
मिर्ची
it.
बेचते हो लोग.
हाँ, तो it is ऐसे मिर्ची को ऐसे मोटा सा बेसन में लपेट के and that is
It's deep fried. It's basically deep
मिर्ची
fried
भाजी, मिर्ची
मिर्ची.
भाजी.
मिर्ची तो मिर्ची के
हाँ
अंदर
मिर्ची भाजी
stuffing
बट
रहता
वो
है.
उसका बेसन का लेयर थोड़ा मोटा रहता है उसके अंदर.
Yeah, I really like it, and I also like प्याज के कचौड़ी यार. मतलब मुझे रावत का प्याज का कचौड़ी काफी पसंद है. मैंने जयपुर का खाया है बहुत, LMB वगैरह का भी खाया है, and it's really nice, man. Like प्याज का कचौड़ी is one of my favorite type of कचौड़ीज.
बट प्याज कचौड़ी मोस्टली यू विल गेट इट इन मतलब जहाँ पे जो ऐसे मिठाइयों की दुकान होती है ना, मतलब उन जगह पे you don't get it as a street food.
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Because राजस्थानी मिठाई बनाना नहीं जानते. That is why. That is the reasoning. Okay. That is उनको नहीं तो.
My college was in Vellore in Tamil Nadu, but I think the good thing about a college was because there were so many, I guess, North Indians. Like the restaurants around the college was like a mix of proper North Indian food and proper South Indian food. So the most famous one I think was a shop called Limra. So they used to give like burgers and rolls, and those guys were Bengali. So the rolls that they made, they were absolutely amazing.
Oh, they were authentic kathi rolls.
Authentic kathi rolls, yeah.
Oh, nice.
So and it's so funny because in my first year, he had one shop, okay, and by the time I left college, उस shop के ऊपर एक और floor उसने खोला था और 2 और दुकान खोल लिए थे उसने. मतलब कॉलेज के हर एक गेट पे उसने एक दुकान डाल दिया था लिब्रा का. It's insane, dude. मतलब वहाँ पे हमेशा भीड़ होती थी. तो वहाँ पे जाओ तो वेटिंग के लिए एटलीस्ट आधा घंटा 40 मिनट वेट करना पड़ता था.
Wow.
But it is like insane, dude. Limra was
intense.
Yeah.
There was a shop near my college called Brijvasi. उसका भी ऐसा सेम सीन था. वो मतलब मैं उसको जब फर्स्ट ईयर में मैंने उसको ऐसे छोटा सा दुकान देखा है, and then I've seen it grow into मतलब ऐसे साइड में वैसे सोडा शॉप भी खोल लिया है. ऊपर मतलब अभी एक और फ्लोर भी चढ़ा दिया है. वहाँ पे मतलब ऐसे टेबल चेयर वगैरह भी लगा रखा है. तो वैसा वाला सीन था.
Nice. हाँ यार, मैंने भी ऐसे बहुत ग्रोथ देखा था अपने कॉलेज के रेस्टोरेंट्स के आसपास में. When I went to, एक तो my college is in Loni, okay, it is in the middle of nowhere, okay, outside Pune. So when I went to college, it was still like that whole area. It's right off the highway, my college, right? So it was nothing. There was nothing. Okay, there were like basically like 2 restaurants, 3 restaurants.
टोनी दा ढाबा भी नहीं था क्या तेरे यहाँ पे हाईवे पे?
नहीं कुछ नहीं था. ठीक है. And then by the time I graduated from college, we were getting Thai green curry. People were ordering pad Thai, and I was like, एक टाइम था जब किसी को समझ में नहीं आता था ये सब क्या है उधर. So like ये उधर एक तो बहुत चकाचौंध हो गया. So yeah, I had a couple of restaurants near my college also. One was the best, okay. So we got introduced to this place through our seniors, all right, and they told us that there is this place called Food Inn, okay. You go there and वहाँ का butter chicken खाना, ठीक है. This is first month of college, all right. So you will listen to whatever the seniors will tell you, okay. So they're like, जाके इधर का butter chicken खाना, and after eating the butter chicken, you will get high. Okay. For some reason, I don't know. And we like idiots, we were like, oh, yeah, we will go now. Okay. So we went with them, the seniors only. And like idiots, we've eaten, okay. And it was a lot of butter chicken, okay. A lot. Matlab, it was that type of butter chicken in which like your hands became red after eating that butter chicken.
Oh,
Okay. So it tasted great. All right. But and then after we ate it, okay, like I actually felt high. Okay. And all of us, we were just like, oh shit, dude. So high. So I don't know if there is something wrong with us as human
Yes.
beings.
that is true. Even if it was not like nothing was wrong with the butter chicken, that is irrelevant.
But I love that this folklore, okay, and because this folklore was so inherent with us, no, we told everybody about it, okay. Like in our batch, we infected people with the idea कि तुमको food in जाके खाना ऐसा मिलता है जिसके बाद तुम high हो जाते हो. And people actually bought into it, and then everybody started going there. I mean, the food was nice and all, but there was always this afterthought after eating food. Ki, oh, am I high?
I think one thing I've noticed, at least in our college, is that you have restaurants that cater to every kind of occasion. Like you always have some restaurants that you can go to anytime because they're damn cheap, and then you also have restaurants that are like high class that you only go in jab matlab, on special occasions. So did you all have
Yeah.
those kind of restaurants in and around the college as well?
Dude, the kind of restaurants that were there was, you couldn't. I mean, wo high, low, sab same tha usme.
Okay, got it, yeah.
So it was
So
like that.
same
Like,
around us, like we had like a few like restaurants or something of that sort near our place. But then the thing is, see, you guys like experienced like some stall or some restaurant that which went like really well and like built multiple establishments or whatever. There was one restaurant in like near my college, okay. So everyone used to go there, and it was the place. Like everyone used to bunk and just go there and eat or do whatever you want. So the thing is, it was just like you go to a college. There was the main gate, and main gate ke just baaju mein wo aise you could see it. And the thing is, everyone used to go there and smoke. So what happened was like new freshers and everyone used to come with their parents and everything. No? So parents would think, hey, people are smoking over here. This is not the right college and everything of that sort. Something of that sort happened. So what they did was they built a wall just outside it so that people can't see what's going on in there. And as soon as they built the wall, people just stopped going there. They were like, hey, it's too much of an inconvenience now, I'm not going there. And they moved from a bigger place to a smaller one.
Like that's the best way to make someone quit smoking कि मतलब सामने बस एक दीवार लगा दिया.
I think that is where Donald Trump got his idea from.
Yeah.
Like, he went to Amaya's college and was like, "ये मुझे implement करना
है." वो एक था. But like the cheap thing, this thing and everything. If we had money and if we had to go somewhere, we just used to go to KFC, which was like 10 minutes away from my college.
Oh, he lived the privileged life too.
Yeah, I had was that privilege.
So we didn't have any fast food restaurants in our college. I think my first year there was nothing, and then Domino's opened up, and fucking every Friday Domino's had a 1+1. Right, or so they used to deliver to only one gate. Okay, so we had like college is pretty big, so we had multiple gates. So we used to deliver to that one gate, and we had a in time of like 8:39. So we used to stand at that gate and wait for the pizza to come. And tempo mein aata tha, dude. मतलब 3-4 टेम्पोज आते थे पूरा मतलब
Whoa.
literally boxes 8 to what I don't what 20 boxes each tempo, sometimes more than that, and 3-4 tempos used to come, and then they had like an army of Domino's people just shouting out order number ye, order number ye, order number ye, and people are just going and collecting.
Oh, so it's like वो Amazon वाला जो delivery आता है.
नहीं, you know what this reminds me of? वो एक भाग में वो सीन है ना कि आफ्टर पार्टीशन वो लोग ऐसा चले गए और एक टेम्पो आके सबको ऐसा खाना बांट रहा है. तो
It's like a refugee camp, dude. Just
yeah.
like
Oh, dude, literally, because so one of the gates used to close earlier, and the last half an hour it used to be the main gate. तो गेट बंद रहता था तो लोगों के लिटरली गेट के ग्रिल के पास से हाथ लेके वो लोग पिज्जा लेते थे.
मेरा वाला.
और फिर भाग के जाते थे वापस क्योंकि तो they had like in times at separate sections of the college, so they'll have like 8:30 at the main gate, and then they'll have 8:45 at the subway, like an area that connects the hostel and the main gate. तो लोग पिज्जा लेके भागते थे कि अभी in time दूसरा वाला आएगा, तो they used to cross it, and then they had like people standing there with like ये ID किधर है, ID किधर है, अभी टाइम नहीं गुजरा क्या, like ये चालान ले चालान, and then they used to pay people paid fine and shit, dude. That is insane. भाई साहब कुछ और ही था, और ही लेवल के restrictions थे dude अपने college.
one thing we realized was that this food was a huge problem, right, in college. So me and my roommate decided to open a tuck shop in the hostel.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Right. So what we used to do is we would decide one day of the week, because like I mean we also don't want to do mehnat. Okay. Right. So my roommate used to live in Pune itself. Right. So every weekend he would go home, and from home he would get wo sandwich maker. Okay. All right. So one day or 2 days of the week we would decide कि आज रात को हमें night tuck खोलना है. ठीक है. So we would go out for dinner to some place, okay, and we would pick up mutton keema, all right, or some chicken butter chicken or something like that, and then we would come back, and then we would craft a menu, okay, where we on our boys group for our batch we would put butter chicken sandwich, mutton keema sandwich, or jam sandwich, whatever. And then we sold it also for like 25 rupees, 30 rupees. Okay. And हमारे पास ये strict rule था कि you have to bring your own utensils and stuff. So they would when they would order on WhatsApp, and then we would say, okay, your order is ready, and then they would come, and then they would give the money in the tiffin, open, we put the sandwich, and then they go. And we had to run this like a proper secret operation, because अगर फिर hostel वो warden को पता चल गया, तो then he would come and he would can the scene, right? So we pushed it I think one time we did it like 3-4 times, we didn't do it too many times, but we went to the extent of giving them tang and rasna and all.
Nice.
People actually thought we were scamming them, because they thought कि वो हम मटन कीमा खाने गए थे, बच गया तो उसका अब but we actually did, and it went well, it worked well, dude. Like a lot of people had, and late night munchies in a hostel, you know how that works.
Yeah. Hey, great idea, dude. बहुत सही था.
And उसमें मतलब like उसमें profit भी बना था अपना, मतलब it wasn't like कि मैंने 100 रुपए डाले और 300 रुपए मिला मेरे को, but like 25 रुपए होते थे, but वो 25 रुपए we would invest for the next time. So we would get more things, and it was really nice. And say photos भी है हम लोग के पास. There was this one time we were doing this, and randomly people decided to come and start playing music inside that room. Okay. And we kicked them out. We're like, dude, get out. I don't want to get caught. I don't want to get caught by the warden for your stupidity. But
Entrepreneurial spirit.
Entrepreneur.
Okay. Nice dude. Oh man, but I still miss some of the. Are there specific food items that you all miss from college times? Because
Yeah, there's
every restaurant, I think. Sorry, Anand, but
not not from a restaurant. So it's the it's an industrial area जहाँ पे मेरा कॉलेज था. तो देवर लॉट ऑफ पीजीज ऑल्सो. सो मतलब जिन लोगों को भी ऐसे फर्स्ट ईयर में हॉस्टल में रहना है एंड देन देयर बी लाइक कि अभी बाहर जाके रहेंगे, तो दे यूज टू ऑप्ट फॉर दोज पीजीज. सो ड्यूरिंग आई थिंक थर्ड या फोर्थ ईयर में when the whole project thing comes up, तो उसमें I used to sometimes I used to stay with my friend, मतलब जो टीममेट था. तो we used to work at night, और रात में खाना वाना खा के we used to go to this one ठेला जहाँ पे वो ऐसे साइड में मतलब वो जलेबी बना रहा है एंड साइड में एक बड़ा सा ऐसे उसने वो रखा हुआ है कढ़ाई रखा हुआ है जिसमें वो दूध गर्म कर रहा है. तो ही यूज्ड टू गिव दूध जलेबी, उसमें ऐसे जो मिट्टी वाला कुल्हड़ रहता है तो उसमें दूध कुल्हड़ के अंदर और साथ में जलेबी, और वो क्या शानदार लगता था ना वो,
मस्त.
मतलब
Wow.
दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग.
ए मुझे भूख लग
you know,
रहा है.
in like I've literally discussed this with my college roommate कि VIT में मतलब you get food of all different kinds, but you कचौरी और जलेबी नहीं मिलता था. I was like अगर एक स्टॉल खोल लेते ना कचौरी जलेबी का तो मतलब insane profit. So
उस पे भी वो लोग कर्फ्यू डाल देते, मालूम है कि 8:30 बजे बंद करना पड़ेगा तुमको.
oh dude, बहुत सीन था यार. So there was actually, I don't know if now that I think about it, I don't know if it's true, but there was actually apparently there was this VIT guy who had opened up a snooker shop. So the snooker shop was real, but I don't really know if it was like a VIT guy. And he used to make like 2 lakhs profit a month just running that snooker place. And he used to sell like cold drinks and stuff. So it was like very lucrative business because so VIT में 25,000 लोग हैं, and it's not like मतलब your only loss is when there are no students. और वहाँ पे लोग इतने फेल होते थे कि समर में भी आते थे लोग पढ़ने के लिए, तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि कॉलेज बंद होता था. तो it's like a year round operation that used to run.
Oh damn.
Cool,
Dude.
man. Yeah.
Wow. But like I remember, like my one thing that I miss from college is fried momos.
Oh.
I love fried momos in general. Okay, just fried chicken momos. And I used to like, because in college we were always on a shoestring budget, right? So we would always prioritize drinking. Okay, just okay, like 90% of that day's money would be spent on drinking, and then 10% is what we would eat with, right? And I remember we would go drink, and while going back to the hostel, we would pack some food and go into the hostel and then eat. Right. So I remember one thing I would always want to have after I'm drunk is just fried chicken momos. And that guy also knew my order after one point of time. He would see me and he'd be like, "Haan, bas, theek hai, done." I didn't even have to go up to him. I just went near the shop and said, "Haan, yes, cool." So I really missed that. Like it was so nice that somebody knew my order.
So I had some amazing things to do. So one of the things that I miss the most is cheesecake. I shit you not. So we had this restaurant called Tom's Diner, and it was like a continental place, pretty expensive for like a college student, but it's like in the mid range. Like you can go there sometimes, but not very frequently. It's not like a high end restaurant, but it's still pretty expensive. And the cheesecake that they had there was for $170, which is insane amount of money for like a college student, because you can
That's
get
the whole meal, dude.
you can get like a couple, you can get like a couple of burgers at that price,
or 4 meals, like I mean depending on
depending on your standards. Yes, that's true. so but that cheesecake, I shit you not, was the best cheesecake that I've ever had, even till now. But it was the densest cheesecake I've had, and it's like an occasion item, because you can't just order a thing for $170, because it's a budget for like the every meal in college, so you can't spend it all on dessert. But I really miss that, dude. And a couple of other things that was really famous
I don't
was
think it was the density of the cheesecake, dude. I think it was the density of the amount of money you paid for
that's
that
probably true.
cheesecake.
It felt like a kind
170 रुपया खर्च किया, पूरे दिन कुछ नहीं खाना है.
of
तो ये तो क्या ही मील है, ये यही मील है मेरे लाइफ.
another one that we had was this thing called Ramba chicken. So it was like really. So it was like just roti, like a couple of rotis, and one leg piece. Okay, and
Okay.
the biggest leg piece that you have seen in your life, and it was like insane.
You sure it was chicken?
It was. Hey, at that time we didn't care. Okay, it
What do you
tasted
mean
well
by
and-
biggest leg piece you ऐसा
dude,
लंबा लंबा
मतलब-
चिकन ला रहे हो?
नहीं, like
मतलब where did they get like ऐसे NBA playing chicken
Exactly.
who were like 6 feet tall and all?
Oh, dude. Also, now that I think about it, a lot of the restaurant people that we had, waiters, were pretty rude. But because we had no choice, we still went back to them. Like
Yeah.
there was this place called Tarama, which is also run by like a really rude Bengali lady, and the food was amazing. But damn, dude, she shouted at you for anything. मतलब तुम order करो तो चिल्ला रही है, तुम मतलब टाइम पे नहीं खत्म कर रहे हो तो चिल्ला रही है, बोल रहे एसी ऑन करो तो बोलते हैं एसी के लिए आते लोग यहाँ पे तो चिल्ला रही है. So like, and the thing is, she shouted and cursed in Bengali, so I could understand everything. कि मुझे पता है कि अभी गाली दे रही है हमें, and she didn't give a shit. Oh, dude.
10 बार बोका चौदा बोल रही है सबको वहाँ पे.
खोले उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. And then people बाहर लाइन है dude, क्योंकि खाना इतना अच्छा है, सस्ता है, तो बाहर लाइन है, उसको कस्टमर तो आते रहेंगे. देख कॉलेज कलर का क्या सीन है कि रिकरिंग कस्टमर आता है ना एवरी ईयर. Even if you fuck up with 1 year, next year और लोग आएंगे. तो
They won't find out.
they won't find out, yeah. So,
Oh damn, dude.
that's right.
We had this place called Paratha Place in next outside our college, and that is been run by this family. Okay, and that is a legacy place that has been around since. Matlab, the guy who runs that place, he is a PT coach in the school inside my college.
Your college had a school in
Arey, yeah, it Vishwa Shanti Gurukul, you know.
Nahin.
So
Right.
basically, my college was a huge campus. Okay, so like it had like when I started college, it had 3 colleges plus a school in it. By the time I ended college, it had some 10-15 colleges inside it plus a school in it. So it like yeah, so it was a huge place. So this guy who ran that restaurant was the PT teacher of that Gurukul.
Oh.
Yeah. So like in the first half of the day, he would be wearing his jumper, PT teacher's jumper, and just at the
That
stove.
whistle.
Yeah. And his son was he was a professional biker. Okay. Yeah, it was full hectic, dude. And the thing, so the main story that I'm coming to is that one of my friends got a burger named after him. I don't know, has that ever happened with y'all? Do y'all have like these legacy dishes there? in your college? My friend's name is Nikhil Baveja. Okay, shout out to Nikhil Baveja. I mean, yeah. So what he would always go there, and one day he went and he's like, "अच्छा भैया आपके पास bun है दो?" He's like, "हाँ." अच्छा उसमें आप एक they always gave a burger. I just forgot what was in that burger, but they gave a chicken burger. So he basically customized it in such a way that all of us who were around him, we were like, "हाँ, मुझे भी वही चाहिए." Okay? And then later he came and sat at the table, and whoever he told that, oh, they asked, "What did you order?" He's like, "Oh, I ordered this." So they went and told him, "भैया वो बवेजा का burger देना मुझे भी चाहिए." And then it just became a thing that it's called the Baveja burger now. I think if we go back to college today also, and go to that shop and be like, "Bhaiya, मुझे Baveja burger चाहिए," I think we'd get a Baveja burger.
Nice.
Yeah. So like, do you also then have these like these legacy
So there was actually an entire shop that did that. So the shop's name was Domino's, no relation to the fast food chain. But
How
What?
was that even allowed?
it dude वेलोर में किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So it's and the thing was the chef who ran it, apparently he was like a chef on cruise ships and all. Like he used to cook on cruise ships and all, and like he decided to settle down, so he decided to settle down in Vellore for some reason. So his main thing was that every dish in the restaurant was named after a student. Like so in the menu that you read, right, you had some standard dishes, but most of the dishes it had like say Nikhil so and so and so and so. So one of my like best friends, his only wish in college was to have like a dish named after him in that restaurant. Okay, so his name's Aniket Chakrapani. Shout out to him. As okay, I don't know, this is weird. Anyway, so he finally got it all right. So he went and ordered fish and chips, and fish and chips wasn't a thing in the restaurant. But the guy was like, "Yeah, I can make fish and chips." And then he asked him, "Can you put my name on the menu?" And he's like, "Yeah, I can do that." And he kept telling him, but they didn't update the menu for a really long time. So by the time they actually updated the menu, I think he was not there, or like it was towards the end of college. But long story short, they got the name wrong.
That's why they are not going to have anything.
So
in the
instead of Aniket's fish and chips, they named it Onyx Fish and Chips, which is a whole different guy in college. And Onik was
Pokemon के नाम रख लिया उसने.
And Onik was like one of the toppers from our batch. So anyone who saw that just assumed it was him because he was also Bengali. So it was a fish and chips. Like it just makes sense.
It just fell into place, dude. Bangali, Onyx, fish and chips.
Yeah. And he was like, "Yaar, mera kya kata, dude."
Yeah, that's why I cannot have a food named after me. क्योंकि मैं आनंद बोलेगा उसको आनंद अनिल कुछ सुनाई देगा.
इनफैक्ट वो नाम भी डाल दे आनंद. आनंद इसको खा के आपको आएगा आनंद or some copyright crap like that, dude. No, just me.
Oh man. But we had like a place similar outside our college. So it was a store where you used to just get beer. Okay, you didn't get anything else but just beer over there because all the other alcohol stuff was not allowed to be sold over there. It was just beer that you could sell.
Why was it not allowed to be stored?
I don't know. There was उसके पास rights नहीं आए or something of that sort. I don't know what happened. Anyways, तो shop का नाम अभी तक
पास भी नहीं आया लाइफ में.
क्या?
हाँ, continue. Technically rights हमारे पास भी नहीं आया अभी तक लाइफ में, but हाँ, continue.
But हाँ उसके like shop का नाम किसी को पता नहीं था, तो everyone was like, "Hey, you want to get beer? Like where?" Like that beer store. So there was this penguin ka dustbin right outside and right next to it. Okay. And hey, where do you want to go? Hey, you want to go to Penguin? And that place was just known as Penguin now.
We also had a corner like that. Okay. So it was right off the highway. There was a gully that went inside, right? So at that gully, where that gully started, right, it was like a chauraha sort of a thing. Okay. And there was shops there. Okay. There restaurants with it. So it was like a corner type of a scene where everybody, you could sit and like a food court kind of a thing happening. And because that there was a store, okay, so what would happen is after eating everybody would just go to that store. It was like a kirane ka dukan, okay, and everybody would buy their nightly smokes, their chips, their munchies, their whatever they need, and then head back to the hostel. Okay, so that guy's name was Pradeep, and he became so famous that whole chalk was called Pradeep. Okay. That's it. So you had to call somebody like Kidhar hai Pradeep. Okay. And then you just know where to be. Okay. And recently I found out that now one of the stores has now changed there and has become like a chaat place called Shambho. Okay, for some reason. And now
Shikari.
they have called it, yeah, and now they have called it Shambho. Okay, so now you have to refer to that corner as Shambho's corner. And I think Pradeep was a better name. I don't know. Maybe I'm just emotional about Pradeep, but like Shambho, really, I don't want to tell anybody I'm at Shambho. Okay, just don't, dude. The hell, man.
मैं चौराहे पे खड़ा है, गैस कर ले, तेरे को नाम बताओ.
Shambho. It's like somebody was going for Sambhog and they got it wrong. Just very wrong.
It was like somebody was going for Sambhog और फिर वो INB के अंडर आ गया.
क्या?
वो broadcasting.
देखो एक्चुअली दोनों जोक्स बहुत गंदे थे.
Indra Radhapan अपना high five bro. High five. आज अपना
For
दिन
me,
में
for me it wasn't a food place, but there was this मतलब जो IT ब्लॉक था कॉलेज का, उसके जस्ट बाहर एक बहुत बड़ा मधुमक्खी का छत्ता था.
oh.
So
Don't tell me. Wait, you know what? Whenever I hear stories about Rajasthan, no, I always imagine like the roguish shit that somebody might do. You know, because like desert and all, no, तो no, उधर मधुमक्खी का छत्ता तो उसी में से हनी ऐसे डाबर उधर से ही निकल रहा है.
डाबर.
I don't know, man.
That's the name of the store. It's called Dabur. All the honey that they make is from the madhumakki ka thing. That's
लोग ऐसा कैमल पे आ रहे.
we had a separate section for savages in engineering college. Just
Was it that मधुमक्खी का? सब लोग उसमें घुसा रहते थे, मर साले.
Hey, but Adit, you were mentioning earlier about like the legacy store. So we also had like one of these shops where they sold parathas, and it was also like a family. So it was like it was in their own house. Like वो hall में वो बनाते थे.
हाँ.
And kitchen ठीक पीछे था. So you went to the kitchen and be like दो पराठे, whatever paneer, onion, whatever you wanted, and then they came out and gave you like one massive paratha that you ate. And you knew it was their house because बगल वाले रूम में हमेशा एक छोटा सा बच्चा रहता था जो हमेशा चिल्लाता रहता था, like every single time, and that was like the ambience of the place. So after that point you're like we just
I'm
knew
just imagining, you know, Indranil going like, आज music पसंद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे.
Uncle, please, बच्चा बदलो.
But it was damn good food, man. That's like, yeah.
You know,
I
that
feel
reminds
these
me.
family run ऐसा places are really nice.
Yeah.
Like even we had one over there, and it was by these two ऐसे this was a Punjabi couple, and they're really old, like ऐसा, and they had hired people to just work for them and everything, and ऐसा सब कुछ ऐसा like nice homemade food they used to give. बहुत अच्छा था. सही था.
Oh, अच्छा. Okay.
I thought
joke
it was just a feel-good movie. That's what I was talking.
It wasn't even a movie, bro. It was just feel. Just feel.
It was fun.
But you know, talking about this thing, this bachcha, no. So there was right outside my college. There was this place where we would get smokes and chai. Chai was a big thing, right? And it was like a proper tapri where you had like seating arrangement done. You know, around that shack you could sit down, okay, and it was inside a compound. So a compound which was like a parking lot for a house which was basically belonged to the family that ran this shack, okay. So in that parking lot he made it that sitting area, and where you could smoke and you could drink tea, and you know, and behind that was his house. So that area doubled, was not just a parking lot for his brother's auto, because his brother was a part-time auto driver. It was also a place where people smoked. It was also a place where people drank. It was also a place where people had tea, and his children played. Okay, so like, can you imagine that child's childhood, where वो खेल रहा है, वो बॉल फेंक रहा है और फिर उसके ऊपर कोई ऐश गिरा रहा है, just you know, just, and like it was run, and you know, because it was like a joint family that lived there. The grandmother or the Maushi would run the tapri, okay, and she was that typical as a Maharashtrian Maushi, just like क्या करता है, just all the time, just क्या get out, just always. She was just annoyed at all points in time, okay, and I still remember I was standing at that shack, okay, and I was taking tea, right? I told her, Maushi, do chai dena, because I was with a friend, all right. And then my friend was doing some bullshit there, okay. So I looked at him and I was like, hey, Maushi Chigant. Okay. And then I look to my right and I see that Maushi is just looking at me. And you know, when there is that split second where you see somebody go turn mad, you know, there is that moment, there is like a second or two before, you know, they're normal and then suddenly they're crazy. Me and my friend were so proactive, we took advantage of those 2 seconds, sat on the scooter and ran away. Okay. Like we placed the order for tea and I don't know if she made it or what. But for the next 1 week, I didn't go back to that store.
फिर एक हफ्ते बाद उसने वही एक हफ्ता पुराना चाय पिला दिया आपको. चले मौसी थी
But did you guys have these like all colleges I think have these really weird named and like outlandish named restaurants or something around them? Did you
Yeah,
have one?
Shambho. Fucking hell. Shambho. There was some names that were damn simple. Okay, what is this place? Where is this restaurant? In the corner. Who runs it? And Anna. What is it called? Anna's Corner. Khatam. That's it. Okay, what is this restaurant? What does it do? It sells rolls. Roll place. Khatam. That's it. There's nothing else, dude.
Okay.
Oh man.
There was this the guy I used to take fried momos from. His shop was called Momo Guy. Just not even like a place. Like it was just, where are you? I'm at the Momo Guy, dude. Okay, cool, man.
It's a one-man operation.
It's an establishment. That guy is a landmark, you know. Like if I'm telling people I'm at the Momo Guy. Just so at least in my college, names did not matter. Paratha place, pizza place, burger place, then Shambho, which I just hate at the bottom of my heart. But Anna's Corner, the roll place, so Thai place. So yeah, just
We had
later
this.
on, a lot of places came up. Like there came like a place called Moonlight. Then there was a Milano Cafe Milano that served like shawarmas and all. But yeah, it was mostly just occupation and location. As in name.
We had this one Chinese place right next to our college. It was called Raj Mudra Chinese.
वो noodles ऐसा करके देते.
Oh man. It was always fun to say, you know, किधर है मैं Raj Mudra पे.
It sounds so intense, you know. It sounds like, wow, yeah, I also want to be a Raj Mudra.
like I would always want
Raj
to
Mudra
eat
पे मत
even
आ.
there.
एक और कर पाया पे जो मतलब you know these बहुत ऐसा cool सा ऐसे बना के रखा था उसने. वैसे टायर नहीं रहते ऐसे बना के ऐसे उसमें से अम्ब्रेला लगा के ये सब उसने सेटअप किया था उसने मस्त सा. और उसका नाम रखा था उसने अड्डा हाउस. So यहाँ पे आप it used to sell only one thing which was decent. It was a blue mojito. मतलब ऐसे स्प्राइट में से ब्लू कलर डाल के देता था बस और कुछ. बट सब वहाँ पे किधर है मैं अड्डा हाउस में ब्लू मोहिटो पिया. ओके फाइन आई एम कम.
होगा।
अपने
This
अपने
is
कॉलेज
serious
के
now.
गेट के बाहर भी हमें मोहितो मिलता था, बट वो 10 रुपए का होता था। वो सोडा, ऐसा फ्लेवर्ड सोडा।
शिकंजी बोलते हैं उसको।
नहीं, it's called scam actually. That's the real name.
बड़ा
नहीं, अच्छा था that. 10 रुपए का एक ग्लास मिलता था, एंड इफ यू वांटेड लाइक मोर, वो स्प्राइट के बॉटल में भर के देता था वो।
they even
You
have
didn't even put the effort of taking it out of the original bottle. Like तू गान मारा, तू इसी में पी
नहीं
ले.
नहीं, it was like a fresh recycled Sprite bottle, I'm saying, but recycled Sprite bottle,
It was recycled only, dude.
जिसमें वो 50 रुपए का वो सोडा देता था भर के, और उसको पीते थे लोग।
वो ये भी होता है ना उनके पास फ्लेवर्स are they have fruit beer they have blueberry
Rum beer,
Rum
soda, rum soda, grape. I think grape was the only normal one. But orange
I
was
always go
orange
for
coloring.
blueberry.
Was, huh?
Blueberries.
Yeah, for some reason blue color just is more reliable than anything else. तो मतलब नीले रंग का सोडा है तो अच्छा होगा, बाकी सब बर्बाद है।
ये क्या लॉजिक है?
पता नहीं, बट है कुछ तो इसमें।
नहीं, तो ये वैसा लॉजिक है कि राजस्थान में पानी कम होता है ना, पानी तो फिर
तो कुछ भी
कुछ भी होगा तो
पानी
पानी हो सकता है वो।
But I feel this episode rather than places around your college की वजह से हम लोग roasting Rajasthan.
But Rajasthan is already roasted, guys. Just don't.
Oh, nice.
इसलिए उधर रोस्टेड पापड़ अच्छा मिलता है।
ये आना ही था किसी को तो बोलना ही था। मैं डिनाई नहीं करूंगा, मेरे दिमाग में भी आया था ये जोक, बट हाँ।
Every time Anand speaks, no, we just like, अहम राजस्थान, इसको तो अब कैन करना है, दाल बाटी, water,
like the jokes don't
camel.
change. It's the same dal bati, litti chokha reference that we're giving since then.
मतलब वो वहाँ पे तोप के अंदर भी ऐसे गोला नहीं डालेंगे।
I just thought of a joke. Okay, like राजस्थान में अगर रिश्ता देखने जाते हैं लड़के वाले, लड़कियां लड़की के अगर रिश्ता देखने जाते हैं तो वो
तो
चाय
बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है।
बट वो चाय कैसे परोसती है? वो ऐसे मटका लेके ऐसे
Hey guys, you know how to make Anand jealous. Hey Anand, देख मैं
let's all just drink some water, bro.
Oh guys.
Oh dude, literally is the only person who doesn't have water.
ये तुम लोगों ने अभी जितना पानी पिया ना उतना मेरा एक हफ्ते का पानी है।
एक बात बता, राजस्थान में दहेज में बिस्लरी की बोतल मांगते हैं।
वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा, तू शादियां टूट जाती है, क्या बोल रहा है?
एक्वाफिना।
नो ब्रो, रेल नीर। बाराती जिस ट्रेन में बैठ के आते ना, वो रेल नीर का बॉटल मिलता ना सबको, वही दहेज। ओके, जस्ट दैट इज।
Oh fuck, dude, real me.
Oh man.
क्या मस्त रेफरेंस dude. मैं भूल गया था रेल नीर के बारे में।
Oh dude. मजा आया।
राजस्थान में सिर्फ 2 टाइप के ट्रांसपोर्टेशन है, एक लैंड और एयर, cause सी है ही नहीं उधर।
तीसरा कैमल।
That's true. Yeah, he is the ship of the desert. So
राजस्थान में लोग 70% लिट्टी चोखा।
I love that उनके पास इतना पानी नहीं है कि उन्होंने कैमल को शिप बुलाया। ठीक है, like that.
थोड़ा तो ऐसे फील है ना, जहाज पे बैठा है मैं।
हाँ, वो भी ऐसे जहाज, हाँ जहाज वैसे ही हिलता है ना, that's how the जहाज is also, you know.
Oh dude.
Oh. Oh.
चलो मजा आ गया।
रैप अप करते हैं।
हाँ, बहुत मस्त।
Yes, that was a great Rajasthan roast.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. That is the end of the podcast. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back again.
But don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I know we forget to say this, but please like, share, subscribe, press that bell icon. Wow, what a YouTube sellout! But just do it. Just do it.
I feel like if you have watched इतने दूर तो तुम बेल आइकन तो दबा ही सकते हो कि ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हम लोग हर दिन तुम्हें फोन पे नोटिफिकेशन भेजेंगे महीने में एक भेजेंगे वो तो देख लेना एटलीस्ट
वो भी कर सकते हैं लाइक इफ
2 हफ्ते में एक बार तो आ जाएगा
हाँ
check notification
And please
We
send
need
me some
friends.
water, guys. Please send me some water.
man.